10 survival and camping gadgets you didn't know you needed. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Over 240,000 people a year get lost or injured while hiking or camping in the US alone. That's not deep jungle or Arctic exploration. We're talking national parks, wooded trails, even local campsites. And what separates a close call from a complete disaster? The gear you're carrying. In this video, we're diving into 10 survival and camping gadgets you didn't know you needed, under-the-radar tools that can make your next outdoor trip safer, smarter, and a whole lot smoother. These aren't your standard must-haves. They're the clever upgrades that make you wonder how you ever camped without them. Cold Steel Recon 1 Clip Point Knife. Built like a tank and sharp as a surgeon's scalpel, the Cold Steel Recon 1 is a tactical folder that's right at home in the wild. The clip point blade, made from S35 VN steel, provides piercing power and slicing efficiency in one rugged profile. It's coated with a DLC diamond-like carbon finish for corrosion resistance, and the Triad lock system is one of the strongest folding knife locks on the market. Seriously, you could baton firewood with this thing. The G10 handles offer grippy control even when your hands are soaked or gloved. This knife isn't just a survival tool, it's the I got this in your pocket. For campers, it bridges the gap between tactical toughness and outdoor practicality. Nightcore MH12 GT flashlight. The Nightcore MH12 GT is a compact beast that delivers a shocking 1,000 lumen output with a reach of over 300 meters. Yeah, that's roughly 3 football fields of illumination. Perfect for night hikes, emergency searches, or just not tripping over your tent lines, this flashlight offers multiple modes, strobe function, and is rechargeable via USB. Its aerospace-grade aluminum build is waterproof, impact-resistant, and compact enough for EDC. If you've ever tried navigating a trail with a phone flashlight, you'll instantly understand the value here. It's the kind of tool you don't think about until everything goes dark, and then it becomes the most important thing in your pack. My Spyderco Delica 4 knife. Lightweight, razor sharp, and built for real-world utility, the Spyderco Delica 4 is an underrated hero in the camping and survival world. It features a VG10 stainless steel blade with Spyderco's signature leaf shape for precision cuts, food prep, or kindling slicing. The FRN handle keeps it feather-light yet grippy, with skeletonized liners for added strength. One-handed open and close is smooth and intuitive thanks to the thumbhole design. Whether you're filleting fish, slicing cord, or handling camp chores, this knife handles it all without weighing you down. It's that didn't know I needed it until I did kind of gear, and it earns its spot in your pocket fast. The Streamlight ProTac 2LX flashlight. When it comes to light, brighter is better, and the Streamlight ProTac 2LX takes brightness seriously. With up to 500 lumens of tactical power in a palm-sized body, it runs on both CR123A and rechargeable 18,650 batteries, giving you flexibility when juice is running low. It's tough, waterproof, and features 10-tap programming so you can customize the light modes to suit your environment. Whether you're checking a perimeter, signaling in the dark, or finding your way to the latrine at 2 a.m., this flashlight doesn't just help, it owns the darkness. And let's be real, camping is way less fun when you're guessing what that rustle in the woods was. Benchmade 940 BK Osborne knife. But the 940 BK Osborne by Benchmade is more than just a good-looking knife. It's a cutting machine disguised as EDC art. With a black-coated reverse tanto blade made from S30V steel, it offers outstanding edge retention and strength while looking sleek and stealthy. The axis locking mechanism is buttery smooth and built like a vault, and the anodized aluminum handles feel like they belong in your hand. It's slim, strong, and absurdly durable. From feathering sticks to slicing through synthetic rope, the 940 BK handles everything with ease. It's the knife that does the job so well, you forget it's in your pocket until you need it most. Cold Steel Voyager XL Clip Point Knife. Now, this is a folding knife that isn't kidding around. The Cold Steel Voyager XL is basically a folding sword sporting a massive 5.5-inch blade with a clip point shape that makes it surprisingly versatile. Despite the intimidating size, it's lightweight thanks to the GripX handle, and the triad lock makes sure it's not going anywhere once open. Ideal for chopping brush, camp defense, or batoning wood, this is a knife that gives you serious reach and raw cutting power. You won't forget you're carrying it, but in a survival situation, you'll be glad you are. Think of it as your last line of offense, or your first line of back off. Spyderco Stretch 2 knife. Designed for precision and ergonomics, the Spyderco Stretch 2 is the camping knife for those who like a touch of finesse with their function. The full flat ground VG10 blade makes clean, effortless cuts, whether you're slicing through food, nylon, or a knot in your gear. Its FRN handle is contoured and textured for comfort and grip, especially during longer use. Lightweight and well-balanced, this knife practically disappears in your pocket but reappears when you need a trusty cutter. It doesn't shout tactical, but when you're field dressing a catch or shaving tinder, this blade speaks volumes. It's a refined tool for rugged places. Benchmade 942 Osborne knife. A modern classic gets a high-performance makeover in the Benchmade 942. Featuring G10 handles instead of aluminum, it drops weight and adds even better grip, ideal for sweaty hikes, wet mornings, or adrenaline-soaked moments. The reverse Tanto blade remains the same hard-working S30V steel we know and love, offering excellent strength at the tip and clean slicing everywhere else. The access lock keeps it fast, safe, and fidget-friendly, and the design stays slim enough for discreet carry. If the 940 BK is all about stealth, the 942 is about performance, an evolution of a legend built for people who use their gear hard and often. Olight S2 Mini Baton Flashlight. Tiny, tactical, and ridiculously bright, the Olight S2 Mini Baton is the definition of small but mighty. This palm-sized EDC light cranks out a blinding 1,000 lumens and features a magnetic tail cap, perfect for hands-free use on tents, hoods, or metal gear. It's USB rechargeable, has multiple light levels, including moonlight mode, and comes with a dual-direction pocket clip. Great for those middle-of-the-night tent tasks or emergency signal flashes when things go sideways. It's the kind of light you forget is in your pocket until it saves your butt in total darkness. Lightweight campers and bug-out bag builders, take note. Nightcore MH12S flashlight. If you want one flashlight to do it all, the Nightcore MH12S just might be your endgame. With an insane 1,800 lumen output and a max beam distance of 294 meters, this light is your all-purpose, all-condition go-to. It features USB-C fast charging, dual tail, and side switches for instant access to turbo or strobe modes, and 6 brightness levels. What makes it stand out is its tactical build paired with EDC portability, plus a battery that can last for up to 1,500 hours on ultra-low mode. Rain, dust, impacts, this thing doesn't flinch. When survival demands visibility, the MH12S answers like a siren in the dark. So there you have it, 10 survival and camping gadgets you didn't know you needed but now can't live without. Whether it's a knife that doubles as your best camp tool or a flashlight that turns night into your ally, these pieces of gear aren't about trends, they're about real-world function, durability, and keeping you one step ahead. If you found a new favorite, or one you're curious to test out, smash that like button, subscribe for more survival gear breakdowns, and drop a comment telling us which item made your wish list.